Today it comes in the most adorable colors, and of course I had to get the baby pink. It is so cute and so adorable. I'm so excited to use it. It feels like great quality. It's not too heavy, but it is the perfect size. I'm so excited about this. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the accessories it came with first. It comes with this adapter to be able to put the camera pictures onto your phone. There's the case. There's the cord to plug it into a computer, and then a wristlet comes with it as well, and it is beaded and so cute. Here's the instruction manual. Last but not least, a cleaning towel. So I'm going to go ahead and power it on by pressing and holding the power button, and then it's really just ready to use. You can use it for pictures, you can use it for video, you can use it for so many things. I went and snapped a few quick pictures of my daughter, and as you can see, they are the best quality. I love these pictures. They have great HD pixels. They are just amazing pictures. I'm so excited. So I'm going to move one onto my phone. I'm just going to put that little adapter in, and I'm going to pop out the memory card, and then I'm just going to pop it into that adapter. Then once it's in, you just go into your phone files, and you can find it there. It will say the attachment, and then you can save it from these files, which is so handy and so helpful. Now I'm going to go ahead and put on the wristlet and show you how easy that is and how cute it looks. You just feed it through and then loop it around itself, and it's super sturdy, super secure. It's not going to fall off. You can wear it while you take pictures. It's not uncomfortable. It's adorable. Now I'm going to clean the screen and show you just how perfect that is. It also has 18 times zoom, which is amazing, and it doesn't lose the quality as you zoom in, which is so unique to this camera. I love that zoom feature. Now I'm just going to set it up on the computer. You go on the camera and select that you want to offload some images. Now you can see my computer's loading, and it will pop up ready to download images, download the video, anything along those lines. I'll show you here that it does pop up with that, and you can have the option to save it to your computer that easily. It really is not a difficult task. Overall, I love it so much. It is so cute. I'm excited to make so many more memories with it. That little adapter is probably my favorite. Also, you can put it on a tripod, which is amazing. I'm going to put it in the carrying case just to keep it safe for now, but I'm so excited about this camera. It's going to be game-changing for me.